Start this pose by sitting in Dandasana. Now stretch your legs and open them wide so that they are about a 90-degree angle from your pelvis. Keep your toes upwards. You might now feel a curve in your back. Take a deep breath and raise your spine upwards and take a few breaths here. Then as you exhale, move your torso forward and you'll feel the stretch in your spine, hips, thighs and hamstrings. Stretch as far as you feel comfortable and then place your hands on the floor and hold this position. You can, if you are flexible enough, take hold of your big toes. That will also help to bring your torso forwards. To come back, starting position, exhale and gently pull your body back and pull your legs back together. And then just release the legs, moving them up and down.